English is not my native tongue. Anyway, first off, you're gonna get a card of some sort. You're gonna want to pop off the edges of the display, like so. Okay, we got the edges off. Then we're gonna unscrew the screws, of course, from the four corners. Might want to have some sort of container for the screws. Okay. Alright, now that the screws are off, we're gonna take the display, flip it, and actually, well, we had the connector here, but it came off by itself. Anyway, let's pretend it didn't come off. Now here you have the connector. You're gonna get the tape off. It usually has a tape on it, so you get the tape off and then you take off the connector. I don't know why it came off by itself. Maybe because it has been switched before, but yeah. Here we have the new screen from laptopscreen.com. It's a matte version. I think the former one was glossy. Anyway, so you get the connector in firstly. Yeah, this should be good. Okay. Tape's a little weird, but well, it can be a little weird. Okay. As you can see, the screen itself is working. Although the font is weird because of the operating system. And we just got the mail, okay? But anyway, the operating system is a bit broken. But that's cool because this video is only to demonstrate the installation of the screen here. So we're gonna flip the laptop and we're gonna get the screws back on. And this is where you want to peel off the layer which was on the screen. I actually did it before already, but if your screen has a layer on it, take it off now, because you're going to have problems taking it off after you put the screws and after you get the edges back on. Actually, you can screw the screws back in and take the protective layer off after that. It doesn't really matter. But before you put the edges back on, you have to take the protective layer off. Otherwise, you're gonna have some problems with it. Or of course, if you don't mind having the protective layer on the screen, you can keep it there, but I myself prefer to take it off, so I did. And here we have the final two screws for it. I'm so clumsy with this kind of stuff sometimes. I gotta hate the small screws. And again, I apologize for my voice, because as you can maybe hear, I'm sick and have quite the fever and flu. Alright, now that we have the screws back on, we're gonna want to flip the laptop again, and let's get the edges back on it. Yeah. So basically, pretty simple. You just pop the edges back on. You can hear them start snapping. Make sure you go around the edges carefully so that you can get all the clips back in place. You can feel and hear them popping in as you do this. I think that should be all. Yeah, it sounds like it. No more clips to put back in, and well, yeah, here we have it. Screen works perfectly. Only thing that doesn't work is the operating system of the laptop somehow corrupted, so I'll have to probably reinstall the whole operating system, but that's a case for another video. Thanks for watching, and I hope I managed to help some of you.